Hello, my name is Priya Byadagi and I'm from Gudata Engineering College, Gulbarga. And I get to know about JSPIDER from my seniors, and they suggested me to join a JSPIDER Rajajinagar. And according to their suggestion, with my experience, I'm telling that JSPIDER is a very nice institute. And coming to the teaching staff is very nice. And one point I want to mention is like even the mechanical and civil background peoples are getting hired in the JSPIDER, so you can guess that how's the teaching staff there. And coming to HRs are very supportive and they'll give equal importance to every student. And about placements, no doubt at all, so many placements will come there. And they'll make sure that you'll place as much as possible. And according to me, Jspider is a nice institute. Thank you.